walking at the Fajr, after the Fajr prayer at DH2 some cliffs. So this is the walking. We have, this is the palette. Keep on doing walking. And then there are beautiful views all around. And this is the rockery. You can climb up with the help of the ropes. And this is where we are heading. There's a small gym. These are basketball courts and a small gym. And then Friendly Bee Park. Badminton courts on this side. Badminton courts. Let's keep on going. There is a mosque right in front. You can say the prayers here. And you can start your walk after a Fajr prayer. Amazing feeling. Oxygen is at its peak and you feel very good. There are trees which are very, very fresh feeling. Thank you.